Amazing garden gadgets to make your life easier. Gardening is one of the most rewarding activities. Watching plants grow, creating a lush green space, and enjoying the fruits of your labor is pure joy. But let's be honest, gardening can sometimes be hard work. From mowing the lawn to watering plants and managing weeds, it can feel like there's always something to do. Luckily, the world of gardening has transformed with innovative gadgets that make your gardening tasks easier, faster, and much more fun. These tools are designed to save you time, reduce effort, and help you get the most out of your garden. Smarty Plants. Smarty Plants is like having a personal gardening assistant in your backyard. This incredible device is a smart sensor that monitors the condition of your garden, keeping track of soil moisture, sunlight, temperature, and more. It's perfect for both beginners who need guidance and experienced gardeners looking to optimize their care routines. Simply place it in the soil, and it connects to an app on your phone, giving you real-time updates and recommendations tailored to your plant's specific needs. What makes Smarty Plants stand out is how it takes the guesswork out of gardening. You'll never have to wonder if your plants are thirsty or getting too much sun. It even provides alerts for when it's time to fertilize, helping your garden thrive with minimal effort. It's an absolute game changer for anyone who wants a flourishing garden without constantly worrying about the details. Yarbo Lawn Mower. The Yarbo Lawn Mower isn't your average grass-cutting machine. It's a robotic powerhouse that does all the hard work for you. Imagine a sleek, autonomous mower gliding across your lawn, trimming it to perfection while you relax with a cup of coffee. With advanced sensors and GPS technology, Yarbo navigates your yard effortlessly, avoiding obstacles and ensuring every inch of grass gets the attention it deserves. What's even better is how customizable it is. You can set mowing schedules, adjust cutting heights, and even monitor its progress through a mobile app. It's incredibly quiet, eco-friendly, and works efficiently even on uneven terrain. With Yarbo, your lawn will always look professionally maintained, and you'll never have to push a mower again. Gardena Water Distributor. Keeping your garden hydrated can be a time-consuming task, but the Gardena Water Distributor simplifies it like never before. This smart device connects to your hose system and automatically distributes water to different parts of your garden based on your preset schedule. Whether you have flower beds, vegetable patches, or a lush lawn, it ensures that each area gets the right amount of water without waste. Its intuitive design allows you to connect up to 6 separate watering zones, perfect for gardens of any size. With its built-in timer and adjustable flow settings, the Gardena Water Distributor lets you sit back while it takes care of your garden's hydration needs. It's not just a tool, it's peace of mind knowing your plants are getting the care they need even when you're not around. Sunjoe Cleaner. Cleaning outdoor surfaces can be a messy, exhausting job, but the Sunjoe Cleaner makes it effortless. This high-powered pressure washer blasts away dirt, grime, and mold from patios, decks, driveways, and garden tools in minutes. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and equipped with multiple nozzles for different cleaning tasks, ensuring professional-grade results every time. What sets the Sunjoe Cleaner apart is its eco-friendly design. Unlike traditional cleaning methods that rely on harsh chemicals, this gadget uses the power of water pressure to get the job done. Plus, its compact size makes it easy to store, and its quiet operation ensures you won't disturb your neighbors. If you've been dreading cleaning your outdoor spaces, the Sunjoe Cleaner will make you look forward to it. Edge Blaster. For those who love a perfectly manicured garden, the Edge Blaster is an absolute must-have. This innovative tool trims and defines edges around flower beds, paths, and lawns with precision and ease. Its ergonomic design allows you to guide it effortlessly, creating sharp, clean lines that give your garden a professional touch. Unlike traditional edging tools that require brute force and endless bending, the Edge Blaster is lightweight and user-friendly. Its adjustable depth settings let you tailor the cut to your specific needs, while its durable blades ensure long-lasting performance. Whether you're sprucing up your yard for a garden party or simply enjoying a weekend project, the Edge Blaster will help you achieve stunning results. Miracle Grow Compost Tumbler. Turn your kitchen scraps and garden waste into nutrient-rich compost with the Miracle Grow Compost Tumbler. This gadget takes the hassle out of composting with its rotating drum, which allows you to mix your compost materials effortlessly. Its seal design keeps odors contained, making it perfect for gardeners who want to compost without the mess. The tumbler's aeration system accelerates decomposition, meaning you'll have usable compost in weeks instead of months. Its compact size fits neatly into any backyard, and the sturdy construction ensures it can handle even the toughest materials. By recycling organic waste, the Miracle Grow Compost Tumbler not only benefits your garden but also helps reduce your environmental footprint. Vago Garden Elevated Rolling Bed. Say goodbye to bending and straining with the Vago Garden Elevated Rolling Bed. This raised planter is perfect for growing vegetables, herbs, and flowers, especially if you have limited space or mobility challenges. Its sturdy wheels make it easy to move around, allowing you to chase the sun or rearrange your garden layout effortlessly. The elevated design also improves drainage and protects your plants from pests like snails and rabbits. Made from durable, weather-resistant materials, the Vago Garden Bed is built to last through seasons of use. With its sleek appearance and practical features, it's an elegant and functional addition to any garden. MagnaPot. MagnaPot takes container gardening to the next level with its innovative magnetic system. These modular pots can be easily attached to metal surfaces, such as fences or balconies, creating a vertical garden that saves space and looks stunning. Perfect for herbs, flowers, or succulents, MagnaPot allows you to grow plants wherever you like. The magnets are strong yet easy to adjust, letting you rearrange your plants as needed. The pots themselves are made from high-quality, UV-resistant materials, ensuring they stay vibrant and durable over time. With MagnaPot, you can transform even the smallest outdoor area into a lush green oasis. Darlet Grab and Lift. The Darlet Grab and Lift is a simple yet brilliant tool that makes handling garden debris a breeze. With its ergonomic design, this gadget allows you to pick up leaves, weeds, and even small branches without bending or straining your back. It's lightweight, easy to use, and perfect for gardeners of all ages. What makes the Grab and Lift stand out is its versatility. Use it to clean up after pruning, collect garden waste for composting, or even pick up trash. Its durable construction ensures it can handle heavy-duty tasks, making it an indispensable tool for maintaining a tidy garden. TerraTech. TerraTech is the ultimate multifunctional gardening tool, designed for professionals and hobbyists alike. This versatile gadget combines the functions of a hoe, weeder, and cultivator, making it ideal for preparing soil, planting seeds, and managing weeds. Its adjustable handle and interchangeable heads ensure maximum comfort and efficiency for any task. Made from high-quality materials, TerraTech is built to last and withstand the rigors of regular use. Its ergonomic design minimizes strain, while its precision-engineered components ensure excellent results every time. With TerraTech, you'll have everything you need to tackle any gardening challenge. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.